आता खबरो विस्तारान. केंद्रीय अर्थसंकल्प मंत्री निर्मला सीतारामन हांच्यांनी शेनवारा संसदेत 2020-21 वर्सा खातीर केंद्रीय अर्थसंकल्प सादर केलो. गिरायकांक विजे खातीर प्रीपेड मीटर लावपाचो प्रस्ताव, खात्यान कितले पयशे आसूं बँक बंद जाल्यार 5 लाख मेळपाची खात्री, देशांतल्या जिल्लो हॉस्पिटलांनी जातली वैजकी महाविद्यालयां, गरीब विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर ऑनलायन शिक्षणाची व्यवस्था, देशभरांत जातले डेटा सेंटर पार्क. मोदी सरकारान कुसुम येवजणे अंतर्गत 20 लाख शेतकाऱ्यांक सोलर पंप सेट दिवपाची केली घोषणा. तशेंच वर्साक 15 लाख जोडपी मनशाच्या जोडींतल्यान कसलेच हफ्ते वचना तर तांकां 2.73 लाखांच्या बदलाक 1.75 लाख कर भरचो पडटलो. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
2020-2021 के लिए भारत सरकार के अनुवादित प्रांतीय और वे विवरण प्रस्तुत करेंगी निर्मला सीतारमण जी.
I rise to present the budget for the year 2020-2021. For every member of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes who seek a better life, for every woman wishing to stand up and get counted, for every individual from the minority sections of our society, this budget aims to give and have your aspirations and hopes addressed. I shall cover programs and plans related to agriculture, irrigation and rural development. That's my first under the aspirational India theme. Our government is committed to the goal of doubling farmers' incomes by 2022. We have provided energy sovereignty through Kusum and input sovereignty through Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. Water stress related issues are now a serious concern across the country. Our government is proposing comprehensive measures for 100 water stressed districts. Air traffic has been growing rapidly in the country as compared to global average. 100 more airports would be developed by 2024 to support the Udan scheme